Good morning, sunshine. The little bits helped me set up the GoPro in the guest bedroom window, looking out front. This is speeded up times 64 in Movie Maker. The original was 19 minutes and 45 seconds. That night, I put the new GoPro in the same window on night-lapse setting. And what you see in the red is the reflection in the glass. So next time I do this, I will put it on the outside. But I got some meteors. According to my research, the Southern Delta Aquariids and the Alpha Capricornids are occurring right now. That little segment lasted 35 seconds. Now this one, on the other hand, is a 6-minute, 20-second segment that I'm going to speed up and isolate the meteors in. This recording began at about 5 in the morning and ended a little bit after 8. So I cut the rest of this and multiplied times 64. This was the first meteor at 17 seconds. This is the second one I spotted at 21 seconds. This is hard for me because in Movie Maker the screen is so small you can't see the meteors. So I used GoPro Player to help. I isolated 3 clips and multiplied by 0.125 to slow down the movement in the sky. And there were a few more in the original video, but I got kind of frustrated. And then last night we had a storm. So I put the GoPro on the south side of the pool looking north and caught a lot of light and cloud movement as the storm moved through. It also left some drops on the GoPro screen. I'm never in the right place at the right time to capture those pesky deer eating my sunflowers. I guess I'll keep trying. There you go.